Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. This is my second chilled open cup pour, and as I mentioned in my last video, I wanted to do something different with this open cup, so I'm still gonna do an open cup, but I'm gonna layer a cup first, then pour that layer cup inside of the open cup. You'll see here in just a second that I decided to do something a little different as far as how I layer my cup. So these are double shot cups, or I don't know what to call them, but the last time I said there was a double shot cup on one of my short videos, someone commented and said, if you consider this a double shot cup, then you're an alcoholic. I just thought that was so funny. But I'm going to use this double shot cup to do my cup layering. And I literally just thought about this right before I was about to grab an empty cup to layer in. So I decided to put the white in the middle, then I'll put all the colors on the outside. And this is going to be the cup that I pour inside of the pink open cup that I cut a hole in the bottom of. So I am done chatting for now. I will let you enjoy this acrylic painting, and I will talk to you again during the wet result. There was a little bit more blending going on in this chilled paint pour than in my last one because I layered inside of the double cup. Then I puddled some paint on the canvas and then poured inside of the my layered cup inside of the open cup. So that's why it was a little bit more blending going on in this painting, but you can really still see all of the colors that I use separately. I mean, I really like the idea of chilling my paints. So it's going to be something that I add to my paint pouring process. It's just pop the paints in the fridge for a couple hours and either strain them before or after, and they are ready to go. I really did not have to use the air gun. There were almost next to no air bubbles, so give the chilled paints a try if you are interested in acrylic pouring. Just mix your paints and you can either strain them before or after you take them out the fridge. But I can't wait to see how this dries. It looks like a galaxy sky on a special night. But if I don't show you the dry results in this video, I will show you them in the next one. But let me show you the dry results of my last painting. Here is the dry results from my last chilled open cup pour. Look at the blue. Can you see that darker blue? That's Pearl Blue by Arteza. So it's gonna be really shimmery, and there's some more of it up here. I really did like the way this turned out. I think I'm gonna do one more. I'm not sure. I'm a little indecisive if I want to do any more chilled open cup pours, but I really do like this ring pour. So better composition than the one I did today, but I like them both though. So we'll see. Stay tuned for another chilled open cup pour, or not sure. Maybe I'll ask ChatGPT again. Thank you for watching.